Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some more important bits related to the topics parts of speech, verbs, main verbs, auxiliary verbs, phrasal verbs, adverbs, and types of adverbs from the English grammar. Chicken soup is on the lunch menu. The word menu is dash. Answer noun. Fathers and sons enjoyed taking long fishing trips to the lake. The underlined word is dash. Answer conjunction. The melodious performance given by the students of the Plateau online coaching center was loud and entertaining. The underlined word entertaining is dash. Answer adjective. Which is not a noun. Answer was. Which is a proper noun. Answer Pizza Hut. Which is not a possessive pronoun. Answer yours. What is the form of the third person singular feminine subject pronoun? Answer she. Which is not a present form of a verb. Answer saw. Which is a regular verb. Answer looked. Which verb can be both singular and plural? Answer have. Which does not belong with the others? Answer woman. Which word means to put into categories? Answer classify. Which kind of word can an adverb describe? Answer adjective. Which does not contain an adverb? Answer came to. How many adverbs are in I really woke up too early this morning? Answer 1. Which does not contain an adjective? Answer wait here. Which contains a third person possessive adjective? Answer his name. A prepositional phrase contains a preposition and dash. Answer object. The man at the bar has a lot of money in his pocket, which is not a preposition in the above sentence. Answer has. Which conjunction is used to connect two unequal parts of a sentence? Answer but. Which conjunction fits best in the sentence? Do you want pizza dash a hamburger? Answer then. After Ben and Sid come, we can leave. How many conjunctions are in the above sentence? Answer 2. Shh. The baby is asleep. Find the interjections in the above sentences. Answer sh. Your test scores were almost perfect. Answer adverb. Classes will resume in the fall. The underlined word will is dash. Answer verb. My heart goes out to George's family and friends. Justice will be served. The underlined word justice is dash. Answer noun. Although the relationship between India and China has been cordial, there have been border disputes. The underlined word although is dash. Answer conjunction. The players jumped for joy. The underlined word for is a dash. Answer preposition. He was exasperated. The word, the underlined word was is dash. Answer verb. The doctors are doing exceptional service these days. The word, the underlined word this is a dash. Answer adjective. Wow, that was amazing. The underlined word wow is dash. Answer interjection. He pinned his opponent against the wall. The underlined word against is a dash. Answer preposition. which is not correct. Answer in the table. Which one of the following is not a noun? Answer said. Which one of the following is a noun? Answer blue. Which one of the following is not a subject pronoun? Answer it. Which is not a third person pronoun? Answer his. What is the form of the first person singular reflexive pronoun? Answer myself. Which is not a third person singular form of a verb? Answer are. Which is not used as an auxiliary of a verb? Answer was. Which does not belong with the others? Answer lemon. Which is not a part of speech? Answer article. Which of the following is a part of a speech? Answer preposition. Which contains an adverb? Answer easy job. Which part of speech is used to describe an adverb? Answer adjective. Sunita wore a beautiful dress and necklace to the party. The underlined word necklace is a dash. Answer noun. He was unable to attend the game for he had not completed his homework. The underlined word for is a dash. Answer conjunction. Wow, you look gorgeous. Find the interjections in the above sentences. Answer wow. Oh, what a beautiful baby you have. Find the interjections in the above sentences. Answer oh. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.